I clipped this thing onto my shirt, hit record, and within the first minute I realized something. The Rode Wireless Pro isn't trying to be another wireless microphone. It's trying to make every other wireless mic look lazy as hell. And honestly, after using it for a while, it kinda does. Because let's be real, nothing ruins a great video faster than terrible audio. You can shoot in 8K, use the world's most expensive camera, get perfect lighting, but if your audio sounds like you're recording inside a washing machine, congratulations, your video still looks like shit. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the Rode Wireless Pro, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit, because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit, no influencers pretending every microphone suddenly makes them sound like Morgan Freeman. Today we're talking about the Rode Wireless Pro, and holy f***, this thing is ridiculously good. Let's get into it. The first thing that surprised me wasn't the size, it was the sound. These transmitters are tiny. Seriously, they're small enough that you almost forget you're wearing them. But the second you listen to the recordings, you realize this little setup is punching way above its weight. Voices sound clean, natural, full. No weird robotic compression. No cheap radio sound, no recorded through a drive-through speaker energy. It just sounds professional. And honestly, that's exactly what you want. Now here's where the wireless PRO starts flexing. Built-in recording. Bro, this feature alone can save your entire shoot. Imagine filming the perfect video. Everything goes right. Then you get home and realize your camera never recorded the audio. Normally, that's the kind of mistake that makes grown adults question their life choices. But the wireless PRO records internally as a backup. So even if your camera messes up, you've still got your audio. That's not just smart, that's life-saving. Now let's talk range. Because wireless microphones love making big promises. The Rode Wireless Pro holds a solid connection over impressive distances. Walk across a room, walk outside, move around naturally. It just keeps working. No random dropouts, no constant signal panic, no standing there wondering if your microphone has given up on life. That's exactly how wireless gear should behave. Now battery life. And thank because nobody enjoys charging equipment every 2 hours. The transmitters easily last through long recording sessions, and the charging case makes everything even easier. You finish recording, drop everything back into the case. Next time you need it, you're ready to go. Simple, no unnecessary bullshit. Now let's talk compatibility. Camera works, phone works, laptop works. Basically, if you're creating content, this thing fits into your workflow without making you fight with adapters for half an hour. And trust me, that convenience matters way more than people think. Because creators don't want to troubleshoot gear, they want to hit record. Now here's another feature that deserves some respect. The included Lavalier microphones. A lot of companies throw cheap accessories into the box just so they can write included on the packaging. Rode actually gives you lav mics that are worth using. That's refreshing. Now unfortunately, we gotta talk about the problems. Because no product gets a free pass around here. First problem, the price. Yeah, professional audio isn't cheap. You're gonna look at the price tag and immediately think, holy shit. But here's the thing, bad audio costs you viewers. Good audio keeps people watching. So depending on what you do, this thing can actually be worth every penny. Second, you're probably not using half its features. Let's be honest, if you're recording one TikTok every couple of weeks, you don't need professional grade wireless audio. Slow the f down, asshole. This setup is built for creators who actually record regularly. Third, audio still depends on you. Buying an expensive microphone doesn't magically make you sound better. If you're standing next to a highway during rush hour, don't blame the microphone. Use your brain. Now let's cut through all the marketing nonsense. Here's the real truth. The Rode Wireless Pro isn't trying to be the cheapest wireless microphone. So, is the Rode Wireless Pro worth it? Yes. Especially if you're serious about YouTube, filmmaking, interviews, podcasts, or professional content. Yeah, it's expensive. Yeah, casual users probably don't need all this. I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me what camera you're pairing this with, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the f out.